All right, the second lesson, well, second part of the lesson in lesson 22 is bar graphs, which we've already talked about in class. So it says a caterer serves smoothies to guests at a party. The number of types of smoothies ordered by the first 17 guests are listed below. So it's super easy. There's 5, 3, 4, 2, and 3. It says approximately what percentage of the guests chose strawberry, mango, banana, or pineapple. So strawberry, mango, banana, or pineapple. So it's everything but 3. So that means that was 14 out of 17 guests. Now you can go ahead and divide in your calculator or make that a proportion. That is x out of 100. So you could say 17x equals 1400. So what's x? Or you could have just divided like normal. So that'll give you 82%. All right. Next one is based on the data, estimate the number of strawberry smoothies that the next guest orders. So if you look here, strawberry is 5 out of 17. So you, like I said, you could have just done what's 5 divided by 17 and have to do proportion. And that would have been 29%. If you want to be more specific, you could say that's 29.41%. Or just leave it as a decimal. So if I have 10 guests then, so if, or we could have said if we have 5 out of 17, then how many out of 10 would supposedly be strawberry? So you cross multiply and you'd get 50 is equal to 17x and divide by 17 on both sides. And you'd get 2.9 or 3 about. Okay, so if you have 5 out of 17, how many of 10 would be strawberry? Then it has a new bar graph, and it says the annual energy bill for a typical U.S. home in 2009 was about $2,200. So for an entire year for energy, water, heating, cooling, appliances, lighting, electronics, $2,200. The breakdown of energy costs is shown in the bar graph. It says what percentage of the cost of heating and cooling a typical home is not including water. Okay, so there's water heating, but they said heating and cooling, what percent would that be? So we're going to have to kind of guesstimate here. Okay, so we're going to have to say out of 2,200, what percent is this? Percent's out of 100. Well, we see here cooling is about, you could say 17. And then you could say this is about 29. Here's the thing. If they don't give you specific numbers, it's going to be pretty darn close to what you have. 46. Oh, that's 46%. Sorry. I read the sign. It said percent of total bill. So that's about 46%. So we don't even have to cross multiply. So just asking you to add up the numbers. That's fine. My bad. Okay. Here, they're saying, based on these data, estimate the cost for heating a typical home if the annual energy bill is $2,500. So if your total is $2,500, estimate the cost for heating. So if you look at heating, we said that's 29%. So 29 out of 100, how much is that for heating? So go ahead and cross multiply. 100x equals 29 times 2,500. And you get 7,500. Divide by 100 on both sides. You get 725.